afternoon, everyone. My name is Ingrid Perico. In this occasion, I want to show you the different intelligence that we can use or develop in the classroom. This type of intelligence is their attunement with the environment. Rocks, clouds, or rock formation, species as animals and plants, their understanding and skill level with all of that. They may be scientists as zoologists, geologists, biologists, gardeners, farmers, landscapers. What is the intelligence? Yes, the naturalist. Excellent. The following intelligence. This type of intelligence, the people have a very high ability to discern tone, pitch, rhythm. These people would be professional musicians, composers, conductors. What is intelligence? Musical. Yes, it's good. This is the skill for communicating with others, both verbally and not verbally. This type of intelligence, is possible for the people who want counselors, counsels, psychologists, politicians, salespeople, actors. What is the intelligence? No. Is that this? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is the ability to move physical objects and your own body. Some people who have a high level of skill in this area are athletics and professional dancers, so some of these people just like to use their hands. So there's crafts people, maybe they're constructors. What is the intelligence? Is that? It's good. Yes. Yes. Those of these intelligence, I think that I can use or take this disadvantage. Take the advantage of this ability for example, they can learn with images what is related to different topics. For example, naturalist intelligence. The students have more motivation or is more engaged with the image, for example, in the cards or in the computer, in the TV, and they can learn more. Other activities that I can do with there is hiking in the school, for example. Do camping if it's possible. It's not easy, no, but it's possible for learn some vocabulary in English. Go to zoo, it is possible. In some cases it's possible, but it's a little difficult, no? in my case, for example, is difficult. But this activity can obtain better learner. In the interpersonal, for example, start talking more easily, do activities that involve communication for the students who have this intelligence, no? This skill. And this is my contribution for this intelligence, or for develop this intelligence. Thank you.